how to cancel Spotify Premium from your mobile device. So let's begin with it. I don't really have the premium version of Spotify, but I'm gonna tell you how you can do it. What you can do is go to your profile and here on settings and privacy, and then under your account you'll see your Spotify Premium plans if you have purchased it, but since I've not purchased it, you can't really see. But under account they will show you your purchase plan, and from there you just need to tap on your premium plan, and then you'll get the option called see available plan, and then you'll just click on the plan that you have, and under there you'll see different kind of plans that Spotify has provided you, and there you'll see a green box with cancel premium written on it. You just need to tap on that button and your premium plans on Spotify will be canceled. So in that way you can cancel your Spotify Premium from your phone. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe.